Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we explore the past perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to talk about actions that started in the past, continued for a while, and were still happening when another past action occurred. Let's learn how to use it correctly. The past perfect continuous is a tense that emphasizes duration. It describes an action that was ongoing in the past before something else happened. For example, if you had been working for 3 hours and then your friend called, we use this tense to show how long you were working. It highlights the continuity and the length of time the action lasted. The structure of past perfect continuous is simple but important. First, you use the subject with the word had. Second, you add been. Third, you add the verb with ing at the end. For example, I had been working, he had been studying, they had been playing. This structure never changes, regardless of the subject. Use past perfect continuous when two events happened in the past and one was longer than the other. The first event, which lasted longer, uses past perfect continuous. The second, shorter event uses past simple. For example, I had been working for 2 hours when my boss called. It shows that your work happened first and lasted longer, then your boss called interrupted it. Let me give you 4 examples. First, I had been working for 3 hours when he arrived. This means your work started, continued for 3 hours, and then he arrived. Second, they had been studying all night before the exam. This shows studying continued throughout the night until exam time. Third, she had been teaching for 20 years when she retired. Fourth, we had been waiting for 2 hours when the bus came. In each example, the duration of the first action is emphasized. To make a negative sentence, add not between had and been. For example, I had not been working when she called. This means you were not working at that time. To ask a question, move had to the beginning. For example, had you been working for long when the accident happened? Or, had she been teaching there for 5 years before she left? The structure stays the same, just the word order changes. Past perfect continuous emphasizes duration of an ongoing action. Past perfect shows completion before another event, but does not emphasize duration. Past simple describes completed actions at specific times. Past continuous describes ongoing actions at specific moments. The key difference: past perfect continuous asks how long was something happening, while past continuous asks what was happening at that time. For example, I had been working for 5 hours versus I was working when he called. Use the word for when you mention how long something lasted. For example, for 2 hours, for 5 days, for 1 week. Use the word since when you mention the starting point. For example, since morning, since 2020, since Monday. Use when, before, or after to connect two past events. For example, when he arrived, before the exam, after she called. The words all morning, all night, and by the time also work with past perfect continuous. Mistake 1, forgetting the word been. Always remember, had been working, not had working. Mistake 2, using past participle instead of ing form. Say had been worked is wrong, say had been working. Mistake 3, using was instead of had. Say I was been studying is wrong, say I had been studying. Mistake 4, confusing with simple past. Say I studied when he called is incomplete. Use I had been studying when he called to show duration. Remember the formula: subject plus had plus been plus verb with ing. To master this tense, first identify past perfect continuous sentences in texts and notice how duration is shown before another event. Second, create your own sentences using different verbs and time expressions. Third, use this tense when describing your past experiences. Tell what you had been doing before something interrupted you. Fourth, compare past perfect continuous with other past tenses to understand the difference. The key takeaway: past perfect continuous equals had been plus verb with ing, used for showing how long something was happening before another past action occurred.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.